First five ng Team Titan, Isiderio R, number 11, Sadi, number 8, Jimenez, number 21, Potpot, number 18, and Bricks, number 4.
Team Titan has the ball. 2 points.
Paalala lang sa lahat ng players, no? Pag nag-inbound kayo ng bola, dapat dyan sa labas ng free throw line. Pag kayo mag-inbound sa may tapat ng board sa kayo rin. Always use sa may labas ng lakan ng free throw area. Take ball tayo.
Hook. Nakuha ni Chicken. Number 4, 2 points. Ace dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Binigay kay Tonton. Muntik nang hindi makuha. Pinasa. Ay Ice, di lang nakuha. Sayang. Rebound by Sari. Pinasa kay Bricks. Pinasa kay Siderio. Dribbling the ball. Tinira. Pasok. Siderio 2 points. He's dribbling the ball. The score 9-0 in favor of Team Titans. Wala 3 points. Nakuha si Dario. Pinasa kay Bricks. Tinira. Sinakso. Wala. Rebound by Tonton. Pinasa kay Ponce. Nakuha ni Bricks. Dire-diretso. Sinalaksak. Pinasa kay Siderio. Tinira. Wala. Wali niya. Tinira. Pasok. Siderio again. (11-0). Hinihintay natin ang score ni Tonton. Sayang. Out of bound. Bola ng Team Titans. Pinasa kay Sari sinilaksak. Wala. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Bricks sinilaksak. Tinira. Wala. May foul. Sino foul, Rap? Rubinos foul. First personal foul. Rubinos. Free throw. Free throw. Second free throw. Pasok. Tonton dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Ace. Tinira sa 3-point. Kapos. Sayang. Hindi pala kapos. Sobra. Umurong yung ring. Pass break. Binigay kay Sadi, sinalaksak. Binigay kay Mike. Yes, agaw ni Ice. Binigay kay Tonton, sasalaksak. Side step, wala, sayang. Rebound by Jimenez. Binigay kay Siderio, pinababa ang bola. Tinira, wala. Mike, tinira, wala pa rin. Rebound by Siderio, tinira ang Sadi. Pasok, 3-point by Sadi. Number 8. 18-0. 15-0 pala, sorry. Hinihintay natin. Kanino kaya manggagaling ang unang score? Yun! Ang aking idol, Rubinos Dexter. 2 points. Bricks, tinira. Pasok. Bricks 2. 17-2 in favor of Team Titans. Tonton again. Binababa ang bola. Oh, hinahanap. Oh, pinasa kay Ice. Na-intercept ni 11. Same. Oh. Tinira sa 3-point ni Tonton. Tonton, 3 points! Score 17-5 in favor of Kings Titans. Bumawi. Oh, wala. Ice, binababa ang bola. Oops, natapik ang bola ni Bricks. Oh, ang bola ay mananatili sa Cheetah. Pinasa kay Ace. Ace, titira kaya? Oops, pinasa. Nakagaw ni Sari. Binigay ka si Derio. Derio. Wala. Rebound. Oops, nakakuha ni Tonton ang bola. Binigay kay Ice. Binigay kay Papa. Tinira ni Ice. Wala. Rubinos rebound. Tinira. Uy, pasok. Muntikan lang pala. Kala ko pasok na eh. Yo, Sari dribbling the ball. Oh, pinasa kay Brick. Brick. Tinira sa 3-point. Well, rebound by Ice. Ice, binababa ang bola. Dire-diretso. Pinasa kay Tonton. Tonton dribbling the ball. Tinira sa 3-point. Wala. Sayang. Rebound by Jimenez. Pinasa kay Bricks. Bricks. Oh, foul. Foul by number 24, Ace. First personal foul. Second team foul. Score 17-5 in favor of Kings Titans. Oh, 18-5 rather. Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Buti na. Pinasa kay Ace. Ace. Pinasa kay Ice. Ice Ace ah. Ice Ace baby. Bricks. Katalaksak. Uy. Blocking foul by number 75. Side ball. 13 foul. Cheetah. Binigay kay Mike. Isiderio, tinira. Okay, pasok. 2 points. Isiderio. Richie. 2 points. Score 21-5 in favor of Kings Titans. Tinira ni Tonton. Wala. Sobra. Binigay kay Isiderio. Isiderio sinalaksak. Pasok. Another 2 points by Richie. Ace, binababa ang bola. Naantay ang kanyang kasama. Oh. Binigay kay Dexter. Dexter, tinira. Wala. Kuha ni Bricks. Oops. 5 step. Wala. Kuha ni Siderio. Tinira ulit. Oy, ang ganda naman ng tirang yan. Patalikot. 2 points. Siderio. Yeah. Ice, binigay kay Dexter. Ice, tinira sa 3-point. Pasok! Ice, Ponce, Ice. 3 points. Siderio, sinalaksak. Wala, rebound by Tonton. Tonton, binababa ang bola. Dire-diretso, sinalaksak. Tinira. Pasok! Pasok! Tonton, 2 points. Pass breaks kay Siderio. Siderio, 2 points. Tonton again, binababa ang bola. Dire-diretso ba? Oh, tinira again. Uy, wala. Sayang, sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Uy, wala. Sayang. Foul, Mike. Number... Foul. Pot, number 18. Pot, number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. Second free throw. 1 minute left for first quarter. Rebound by Siderio. Binigay kay Sadi. Sadi. Saksak ba? Binigay kay Bricks. Pasok. 2 points by Bricks. Tonton, binababa ang bola. Tonton, binigay kay Ace. Titira kaya? Tinira sa 3 points. Sayang. Bonti lang. Pasok sana. Binigay kay Ricks. Ricks, wala. Okay, reserve timeout ng Cheetah. Timeout, Cheetah. Timeout, Cheetah. Hello. Coach, kausap muna tayo. Two points by football. Wala. Pasok. Tonton ako ang bola. Tinira. Wala. Uy! Wala pa. Kanina talaga. Okay, teka. Timeout. Committee timeout. Sorry. Okay. Replay. Sorry. Okay, ready na. Labas ng bola ni Tonton, pinasa kay Papa Ponce, binigay kay Junior, tinira, wala, sayang. Rebound by Ponce, wala, tinira, Tonton ako ang bola, tinira, pasok, Tonton, 2 points. Up. Line, 1-0, line ball. Stepping on the line. Bola ng Cheetah. Pinasa kay Ice. Tonton. Tinira sa 3 point. Wala. Oh, binasa. Bigay kay Brick. Oh. Wala. Binasa. Yo. Yeah. 2 points. Oh, Bricks pala. Bricks, 2 points. Sorry. Oh. Tonton rebound. Binigay kay Ice. Tinira. Wala, muntikan lang. Si Dario rebound. Binigay kay Rick. Okay, ano? Oh, Bricks. Tonton, pinira sa 3 points. 3 points, Tonton. Pumpy, dribbling the ball, binababa, sinisend ang play, binigay kay Bricks. Bricks, pinira sa 3 points. Nabawi kaya? Oh, nakuha ni Busing. Up. Bola mananatili sa Things Titans. Oh, binigay kay Siderio, binigay kay Gusing, pinasa kay Remy, pinasa kay Pumpy, wala. Oh. Bola ng Cheetah. Time is 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Pinasa kay Tonton, binalik kay Ace, binigay kay Ice, binalik kay Ace. Filipinos. Tinira. Wala, sayang. Muntikan, malakas. Pinasa kay Remy, binigay kay Bricks, wala. Isa pa. Pasok, Bricks. 2 points. Score 35-15 in favor of Things Titans. Binigay kay Papa. Tinira ni Dexter, 2 points! Bricks, dribbling the ball. Antay na kasama. Pinasa kay Pumpy, tinira. Pampi, 2 points. Tonton, binababa ang bola. Oops, dribbling. Tinira sa 3-point. Wala. Oh, hinagis kay Bricks, malaksak. Bricks, another 2 points. Pinasa kay Ice, binalik kay Tonton, nagdi-dribble. Time is 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Ano yun? 3 points, number 24. Tingnan, babawi. Wala. Score 39-20 in favor of Team Steiner. Oh, pinasa kay Bricks. Bricks nag-dribble. Pinasa kay Siderio. Oh, Siderio, 2 points. Tonton, pinababa ang bola. Dire-diretso si Tonton. Uy, 2 points, Tonton. Bricks, pinababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Siderio. Natapik ni Tonton. Bola mananatili sa Team Titans. Bricks, give me the ball. Oh, tinira. May foul. Who's foul? Number 24. Second personal foul. First team foul. Unang free throw, pasok. Last. Oh, pangalawang free throw, pasok ulit. Score 42-22 in favor of Team Titans. Tonton, binigay kay Ice. Binalik kay Tonton, binalik kay Ice. Oh, na-intercept, nakuha ni Pampi, binigay kay Bricks, dire-diretso. Pasok. Another 2 points by Bricks. Oh, binigay kay Ace. Sabi, antay lang. Oops, wala. Binigay kay Bricks, another. Oh, hindi pala si Bricks, si Remy pala. Nalilito ako din ah. Remy, 2 points. Muntik na ako talagang malito. Nakakalito talaga eh. Binigay kay Rubinos, 2 points. Ito yung isa kong idol eh. Yun o. 3 points. Oh. Nakuha ni Tonton, dribbling the ball. Sasalak sa kaya. Wala, kanya pa rin. Titira, pinasa kay Ice. Tinira ni Tonton sa 3 points. Sayang. Bricks. Pinasa kay Pampi. Wala. Nakuha ni Bricks. 2 points. Followed by Bricks. Score 49-24 in favor of Team Steiner. Time is 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Dexter, binigay kay Ponce, binigay kay Ice, tinira, wala. Pampit, binigay kay Bricks, tulaksak, another 2 points by Bricks. Parang alam ko na magiging best player nito pag nanalo ang Team Titans. Si Tonton, dribbling the ball, sinalaksak, another 2 points. Alam ko na rin sa kabila, pag nanalo ang Cheetah, alam na rin yung best player. Iyon. Siderio, dribbling the ball. Ganap na papasahan. Nakita si Bricks, sayang. Ang ganda ng pasa. Iyon. Oops, down. Yung bumawi. 2 points by Isiderio. Tonton, ginababa ang bola. Dire-diretso kaya? Ipapasa kaya? O binasa kay Ice? Ice, tinira sa 3 point. Sayang. Bola ng Team Titans. Bricks. Binigay kay Isiderio. Isiderio, tinira. One leg shot by Isiderio. 2 points. Oh, Agong Bricks. Sinalaksak. Another 2 points by Bricks. Score 57-26. Remaining time 41 seconds. Kampi, nagdidibon. Ginawang pinasa kay Isiderio. Isiderio, sinalaw. Uy. Up. Bricks. Kuha ang bola, tinira sa 3 point. Wala. Rebound by Isiderio. Isiderio, tinira. Isiderio, 2 points. Remaining time, 16 seconds. 13 seconds, 12 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3 points, Tonton. End of third quarter.
Itas ball. Quarter. Tonton, katabon, Ice. For 3, shoot. Zaddy for the ball. Pass. Break. Tonton for the run. Shoot. And not in. Single. Okay, pass to Zaddy. Pass to Ice Ponce running to the thing. Pass. And the shoot. And then pass to Zaddy. Shoot. Not in. Oh, pass to Bricks. Pass to Slippery. Arami. Oh, 3 points. 3 points. 3 points, Ice Ponce. After Zaddy, 55-59 score in favor of Team Titans. Pass to Ace, 1 to the point. Pass to Isiderio, and then shoot. Shoot. 2 points. What a move. Pass to Ice. Ace. Oh, block. Running scenario. Shot. 2 points. $63-35 score in favor of Team Titans. The time is 7:30. Ice. Oh, Melissa. Oh. Zaddy. And 2 points in the hole. Ice. Oh, pass. And now pass to Romy and then Zaddy. After that, not foul. Not foul. Oh, yes, foul. Out. Tonton got the ball. Run. And pass it to foul. Zaddy. Foul by Zaddy. Tonton, Ace, Generio, Dada, Generio. Thank you. And now Ace got the ball. Tonton, Ace got the ball. Shoot! No, man. So safe. Daddy. Oh, no. Oh, no way. Dada blocked that. Oh, pass to Zaddy. Generio, Jimenez. After that, pass it to Jester. Tonton for the run. Tonton for the run. Oh, where are you going? Oh. Zaddy for the run. To the hook. Oh, miss. Oh, I'm so wrong. I don't know. Sure, 2 points. The score is 69-35. Third period in favor of Thames Titans and Cheetahs. And pass it to Zenerio. And then let him 2 points. Cheetahs is losing, guys. Okay, Kuya Ice for the dribble. Shoot. Nice one! Clap. Zenerio. Who's that? Zemeria, Zad, and Rami. Oh, I don't know. Okay, Dada, June. Dribble, and pass to my brother, and then after that pass to Jester, and then miss. Oh no, 2 points. 2 points by Zaddy in favor of Thames Titans. Oh, Tonton? No, that's a miss. Sorry. No. Zenerio? No, 2 points. The time is 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Oh, can I fake? Pass back and shoot! Oh! Zaddy for the pass to Zenerio. And then makes a shot. Oh no! And then shoot! Yes! Oh! Go run! Pass to Tonton. Oh! Are you going? Oh! Zaddy, pass again to Zenerio. Pass to Dada June. And pass to my brother Ice. And then, oh, that's a block. Zenerio. Oh, miss. Oh, yeah, listen. Oh, another miss. Oh no. Shot, 2 points. The score is 77-37. Okay. Oh, Tonton for the shot. No. Oh, pass to Romy. And then make a shot. In. Time out. Okay, start the game. Tonton first, the pass to Ice, back to Tonton, shoot! Oh, miss! Pass to Romeo, no, breaks. Okay. Me for the shot. Ano, this breaks. Right, breaks for the shot. And 1 point for the Teams Titan. Breaks 2 points. Cheetahs out. Pass to Ace. Oh. Foul by Ace. Third personal foul. Carlo. Okay, pass to Briggs. Shoot and 2 points. Tonton, pass to Tonton. Running, jogging. Shoot! Miss! Pass to him. Yazadi. Pass. Pass to Brick. Bricks. Pass to Romy. Jumping. Ace. Pass to Ace. Oh. Pass to Bricks. And tapping. Pass to Cotton. What are you aiming, man? Pass to Bricks. Pass to Zeddy. Shoot. Johnny. 3 points. Okay, Tonton for the shot. Shot. 2 points. Pass to Zeddy. And Brick for the shot. 3 points for the shot. Pass to Ace. Ace for the run. Pass to my brother Ice. Pass to Ace. Pass to Dada. Pass to Tonton. And run to the hook. Shot! 3 points for the shot of World War II. Okay. Tonton for the run. Number 9, foul. First personal foul. Tonton. Pass to Romy. Break. Pass to Break. Pass to Ice. Brother. Run. Pass it. Dada, pass to back. Pass to Tonton. On the shoot. Miss! What a miss. What the hell? Foul by personal foul. First Ace. Fourth personal foul. Tonton. Pass to Ice. One. Pass to Tonton. Where you going?
Pushing foul, number 20.
Running for a graduate, Ace, number 24. Pass to Ice. Ace. Pass to Ice. Pass to Tonton. Shoot. Miss. Pass to my brother Ice. Rex again. And Romy. Rex. Shot. Miss. Oh, pass to 3 points to number 9. Oh, to my brother Ice. 1. Oh. Take a shot. Miss. Zaddy for the run. Zaddy. Miss. Miss. And 2 points. 105 to 44. And the time is 4:20. 4:20 minutes. Pass to Ice. Pass to my dad. Oh, pass to Zaddy for the run. Miss. Oh, good for Zaddy. And then Miss. Ice. Throw it to Tonton. Tonton for the run. Oh. Up. Oh, Zaddy. Keep that on. Oh, dribble. Shoot. Oh, miss. And pass it to Zaddy. Zaddy for the shoot. And 2 points.
They just haven't played. What a now? Where are you aiming again? Oh, Zaddy. Oh, 3 points. 112. Big point. 114 for James Stanton. And 44 points for Chicas. Oh. Oh, Rex. smiling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bing, bing, bing.
Best player of the game, Jimenez. Sorry. Bricks. Best player of the game, Bricks.